In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view on Salesforce. This process is quite straightforward, but knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate your browser to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the page. You should see a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find a lot of the tools you need to customize your Salesforce experience. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Open Advanced Setup. Click on this to proceed. This will take you to a new section where you can access more advanced customizations. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup area, you'll see a search bar. This is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly find specific settings without having to navigate through multiple menus. In the search bar, type in the word theme. This will help you locate the themes and branding settings more quickly. Once you've typed theme into the search bar, you should see an option labeled Themes and Branding. Click on this option. This will take you to a page where you can see all the available themes you can use to change the appearance of your Salesforce interface. Now, you'll want to select the theme you wish to apply. You'll see a list of available themes, and you can click on any of them to preview how they'll look. Once you've found a theme you like, look for a small drop-down arrow next to the theme name. Click on this drop-down arrow to reveal more options. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to activate the theme. Go ahead and click Activate. This will apply the new theme to your Salesforce view, allowing you to enjoy a refreshed and potentially more efficient interface. And that's it. You've successfully changed your view on Salesforce. Customizing your view can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform, potentially increasing your productivity and making your day-to-day tasks a little bit more enjoyable. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.